Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making better purchasing decisions. Today, we have a robotic showdown that will leave you vacuuming up the drama. In the left corner, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, priced at a wallet-friendly $269. And in the right corner, we've got the eufy X8 Pro coming in hot at $649. Let's dive in and see which one sucks the most, in the best way possible. First off, let's talk about the price. The Roomba 692 is like that budget-friendly friend who still manages to show up in style. At $269, it won't break the bank. On the other hand, the eufy X8 Pro is here to drain your wallet faster than a Black Friday sale at $649. But hey, who needs savings when you can have a robot with a name that sounds like a Star Wars droid, right? Next up, cleaning systems. The Roomba 692 boasts a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. It loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt like it's auditioning for a cleaning infomercial. Reviewers say it's especially great for hardwood floors and pet hair, but can get stuck on thicker rugs. Meanwhile, the eufy X8 Pro brings out the big guns with its 2x 4,000 pascals twin turbine suction. That's right, folks, it's got double the power and double the fun. Reviewers love its powerful suction and how it leaves no corner unturned. It's like the vacuum version of a superhero tag team. Now, let's get into the fancy features. The Roomba 692 learns your cleaning habits and offers personalized schedules. It's like having a robot butler who knows you better than your mom. Plus, it listens to your voice commands through Google Assistant and Alexa. Talk about obedient. The eufy X8 Pro, on the other hand, has a tangle-free roller brush with a Pro detangle comb. No more untangling hair from the brush. It's like it comes with its own personal hairdresser. Oh, and did I mention it has a customizable AI Map 2.0? You can set no-go zones and virtual boundaries. It's basically a vacuum with a PhD in geography. When it comes to navigation, the Roomba 692 uses adaptive navigation with advanced sensors. It dodges furniture, avoids stairs, and finds dirtier areas like a bloodhound on a scent trail. Reviewers appreciate its ability to navigate around obstacles, but note it sometimes needs manual assistance. The eufy X8 Pro, however, uses iPath laser navigation to create precise maps of your home. It's like having a vacuum that's also a cartographer. Reviewers highlight its efficient room mapping and obstacle avoidance. Who knew cleaning could be so sophisticated? Battery life is crucial. You don't want your vacuum conking out mid-clean. The Roomba 692 runs for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. It's like your vacuum is taking a well-deserved coffee break. Reviewers recommend regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. The eufy X8 Pro, however, takes it up a notch with its 45-day hands-free cleaning. Yep, it empties its own dustbin and keeps going like the Energizer Bunny. Reviewers are impressed with its long-lasting battery, but have noted occasional issues with battery performance over time. It's the vacuum equivalent of a marathon runner. The Roomba 692 receives praise for its affordability, versatility, and reliability, especially for hardwood floors and pet owners. However, it can struggle with thicker rugs and requires regular maintenance. The eufy X8 Pro is lauded for its powerful suction, advanced features, and efficient navigation, making it a high-tech option for those willing to spend more. Some reviewers noted occasional battery issues but still found it to be a reliable and sophisticated choice. So there you have it, smart buyers. The Roomba 692 is the budget-friendly, obedient little helper you never knew you needed, while the eufy X8 Pro is the high-tech powerhouse that's ready to take on the world, or at least your living room. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic showdowns. Until next time, keep buying smart and keep your floors clean. Happy cleaning, everyone! Product links are in the description.